Right, I'm back over a laundry lake. I did really well about a month ago in January. It's February now. Well, the last video I'd done really well. I was on the boat. I can't remember any fish there were. Yeah, I caught a few, didn't I? So we're back over here. I've just finished work. It's about 4:15. It's almost getting dark. It's almost turning, so I haven't set up, not yet. There's all my gear. Yeah, so what I'm going to use to this, because I was finished work, I can't bring my boat because it'll get smashed up with all the carpets and everything. I'm going to use bags, solid bags filled up with maggots. You know, using the boat worked with really well with maggots, so I'm going to try that. So basically, boat versus bags, see what comes up on top. But it is definitely colder today than last time I was here. Yeah, so let's see how I get on. Get some bags out. I'm going to try and set up before it gets dark, but I don't know, so I'm going to quickly set up. Yeah, once I'm fishing, we'll see how we're getting on. Literally, I was just making something to eat. I was absolutely starving actually, and I just threw a solid bag out, ones I made last night. No maggots in or nothing, just and this one, the first one off the night. Oh no, oh shit, didn't mean to swear then, but that is bad. That's white on the other one. Oh god, prickles, brambles, whatever you want to call them. At least it's not a blank. Ooh, first one. First one off the night. Probably just over £10, probably, or maybe a bit less. Probably about £9. Right, let's put it back. Well, I just had that nice little common that saved the blank anyway. So yeah, I wasn't even fishing properly really. I was just, like I said, I come straight from work and I was getting a bit hungry, so I was trying to cook some carp, and I thought, oh, I'll get my popper stuff out in a minute, or later on, but I'll get the old bags. So I made some bags a couple of nights ago. I'll just show you the ones. I made a couple of them ones, PVA bags, just ready made. I've got my old stew popper coming on nice. Oh yes. So I was just getting ready for that. Yeah, so I was just I put them two out quickly, so like to fish, like, you know what I mean, like while you're here, you fish, and I was going to do my popper ones a bit later on after I had something to eat, but that tore off, that did. Yeah, so I'm going to have something to eat, and I'm going to show you what I'm using all through the night, and probably most of tomorrow as well. Right. Right, that is what I'm using. The Medusa rig. The rig's about 4 inches. On a German rig, a size 6 hook, and a 12mm wafter, 4 inches long. Right, it's a bit hard to film, but I'm going to fill a nice big bag full of maggots and some pellets. Right, that's it. I'll get that there. That's what I'm casting at. Medusa rig in the bag. Right, let's get it out. Oh God. Yes. Oops. Oh, 16.2. Cold night tonight. Caught a Medusa rig on a bag full of maggots and some pellets. Right, it's been back. Oh yeah. I bought this on eBay or Amazon, can't remember what one. It just tells you the temperature. It's 0.7, and the water, it's got a little lead, is 5.8 degrees. It's 5.8. $17.10. Getting a bit bigger. Oh, come on, be good for the camera. Oh, my goodness, you got wrapped in the face then. Jesus, Jesus. Alright, 17.10. A nice long fighting fish. Come on. Ooh. I'm freezing now. My hands are cold. Hey, it's worth it though, catching fish like this. Ooh. Alright, let's put him back. Yes. Alright, little update. I had that, the last fish I had was at 17.10, I think. I didn't catch it on camera. It was so cold last night. I was really cold, and that was the last fish I caught. I had one rod out after that. It was just so cold. It was ridiculous. So yeah, and morning I had nothing like yet. There's a few people more. There's like a lot more people on the lake now. There's about 7 people on the lake. I was the only one on there last night. But it's like 7 degrees now, so it's quite warming up quite a bit now. If I catch something, I'll let you know. Hopefully this one stays on. I've lost two. A bit of a nightmare really. I was just packing up. Oh, it's come off. That's it. Throw that back out there. That is a joke. It's been there for... That is a joke. That's the third one now I've lost. What's going on? On the bands. Chuck that back out there. This is the one I just chucked out there. I just lost the fish and I just chucked it out there. And there's a fish on there. Do the last fish of the day. Right, this is my last fish of the session. A nice little mirror, just using PVA bags with Medusa rigs in winter. Yeah, I lost a couple. I lost 3, so I was just packing up and this one tore off. Alright, that's my session finished. Last fish, just as I was packing up. Alright, and I'll see you next video.